Hey guys, welcome to Fix It Right. Today what I'm going to do is show you how to get, so a lot of times you pull trim off of, in an old house. This is old Douglas fir and it's all the original trim and we're going to reuse it. And what the problem here is you get these nails, these are probably 8s and they're actually old trim nails. What you can do, the best way to get these out, because you don't want to just pound them out with a hammer because you'll, especially with this is lacquer. Or not lacquer, but shellac on here, and this wood is old and dried. So if you pound these out, it'll most likely splinter and crack the wood on the outside. So the easiest thing to do is to get a pair of side cutters. So these are just like wire cutters. And what you do is you get on toward the base of there, you pry a little bit, and you can usually pry these things right out of there. They're pretty simple. If you have newer style trim nails or brad nails, they will usually you can clip them off, but these work extremely well. So what that ends up doing is you still actually got the putty from the old holes in the front there, and it doesn't wreck this trim. This does take a while, but it's well worth it if you're going to reuse the old trim. And these pliers, I don't know if you can actually see, but right in the base there, at some point in time, not me, somebody cut a live wire and fried it, so it actually works really well for grabbing onto it and pulling it out. If you clip on them too hard, you will shear the nail off, which not the end of the world, but it's always nicer if you can pull the whole thing out of there. So, and it usually doesn't take too long, and if you're reusing this old trim, this is kind of the only way to do it. So just a little tip and pointer, and for those of you out there redoing old houses, I know it's fun and it's a joy, and every little trick helps. So, all right, till next time, I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, see you later. Thanks for watching.